So today seemed like a good day to revisit my time in my regrow garden, and specifically with starting whatever it is that I'm trying to do with the corn that I have. A while ago, I made a street corn dip, and that was pretty awesome. But as you saw in that video, I definitely had some leftover pieces of corn that I threw to the side, and all those I let air dry, and then when they got to the point where they looked like a dried kernel, was what I have researched to be the appropriate specifications for planting it. So we're going to go ahead and do just that. I'm just reusing some old soil because while I plan to add a lot of different nutrients and compost to it later, right now we're really shooting for survival of the fittest here with this corn. I'm not trying to have like a huge harvest from this. It's more or less a environmental sciences like learning experience for all of us. And I finally get to make use of these pieces that I've been saving. So I just kept filling each cup one by one by one by one. And this did take a little while, so we're just gonna go ahead and speed this up. So when all is said and done, this is what I was left with. And this is what the corn looked like before I'm ready to plant it.
I see something gray, but this one's correct.
So when we get back over to the planting, there really isn't a rhyme or reason as to how I'm doing this. I'm just kind of grouping a few together, pressing them gently in the soil, and then we're gonna tuck them in a little bit with some water. And we're gonna hope for the best and see how this all works out. And I think that it should be like away enough from animals where I should be good. Wish me luck.